Tesla Giga Berlin is ahead of Giga Shanghai by 2 months when it comes to construction speed. You know, friends, in this channel, when I report Tesla Giga Berlin's construction and news updates, as well as Giga Shanghai construction and news updates, especially on phase 2, I see a lot of comments in which some of you talk about the speed and some people talk about Giga Berlin being slower than Giga Shanghai, especially when now we see the lightning speed of Giga Shanghai's phase 2 construction. And many people attribute that to the bureaucracy in Germany and blame the government. But you know, when I look at the data, and we're going to look at that together here on your screen, we see that Tesla Giga Berlin is at least 2 months faster when it comes to construction than the Giga Shanghai. How? Before I get to that, this is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please join our community and subscribe to our channel if you are here for the first time. Like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Tobias Lind, who sent us this data yesterday on his Twitter page. And if you would like to support our channel, which I appreciate very much, we would really appreciate buying us an animated applause once a month by clicking on the applaud button, which is next to the like button if you're watching this video on a desktop. So why do I think that Tesla Giga Berlin is ahead of Tesla Giga Shanghai and things are going faster at Giga Berlin than in Giga Shanghai? Look at this data together, please. As you can, our friend Tobias Lind, who has helped us tremendously in the past several months from Grünheide, sending us data, pictures and videos from Giga Berlin, has prepared this little chart and has posted on his Twitter channel, the link of which I will put in the description of this video. And let's look at this chart together. We see that Tesla Giga Berlin was established as a company on May 8, 2018. And Giga Shanghai, that was Giga Shanghai. Giga Berlin is established as a company on November 15th, 2019. Okay, when you look at the time between the establishing of the companies until agreement signing or contract signing, both are approximately 2 months. Okay, from establishing to agreement signing in Giga Shanghai is 2 months, and from establishing to contract signing at Giga Berlin is 2 months. Now let's look at the leveling. When you look at the Giga Shanghai, you see that the leveling there was done on October 17th. Okay, and the leveling at October 17 of the same year of 2018, but the leveling of Giga Berlin was done on March 9th. Okay, so this means that from establishing, when it comes to leveling, okay, this means that from establishing to leveling in Giga Shanghai, it took 5 months. But from establishing to the leveling of the area of the land in Giga Berlin, it took only 3 months. So this is another thing that Giga Berlin is 2 months ahead of Giga Shanghai in work progress. Now let's look at the land transfer. When you look at the land transfer, Giga Shanghai, it took 7 months from company establishing to the land transfer. In Giga Berlin, it took 5 months from the company established to the land transfer. Again, in this case, Tesla's European Gigafactory progress is 2 months faster, 2 months ahead of its Shanghai company. Now, let's talk about the groundbreaking. Groundbreaking, of course, at Tesla Giga Berlin has not happened yet, probably because of different issues, or mainly we assume because of this virus situation. But if you look at Tesla Giga Shanghai's groundbreaking, it took Tesla 10 months to break the ground at the Giga Shanghai factory. Now, if we talk about 10 months from the company is established, if Giga Berlin has still, that means Giga Berlin still has until September to match the Giga Shanghai's speed when it comes to groundbreaking. So even if that means if the groundbreaking doesn't happen until September, we are still in parity. I mean, when I say we, I mean the Giga Berlin is still in parity with Tesla's Shanghai factory's speed. But if the groundbreaking at the Giga Berlin Gigafactory happens before any times before September, maybe let's say in June or July, that means again Tesla's Berlin manufacturing company's building and progress will be several months ahead. In this case, if it happens in June, it will be 3 months ahead of Giga Shanghai. So you see, when we look at the data, the picture is different. We are dealing here with numbers, and probably we shouldn't say that Giga Berlin is slower than Giga Shanghai. But I would like to, as I said in one of my previous reports, let's put this all aside and let's talk about the quality of the work, the safety of the employees that are going to work in that facility, making electric cars, making Tesla Model Y electric crossover. Because we don't want Tesla to be pressured by all this social and public pressure of it's slow, or it's fast, look at this. I don't want them to think about speed, but I would like them to think about the quality so they can have a safe environment for people to work when they're building the huge building. This is a huge enterprise. And also create a high quality work environment so they can produce high quality cars, high quality electric cars. Especially these days, they cannot allow any mistake because everything is going electrified and the software is basically driving the car. Okay, friends, so this is the news. I think this is an exciting news. We looked at this together. Let me know what you think. Maybe there is another angle that I forgot to talk about or didn't see. And again, let's continue the discussion in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell, because later today I have several very interesting stories that I have already put aside to report today. And again, this is Armen Hareyan from Torque News. Please like this video to thank our friend Tobias for this. And if you would like to support our channel, I would really appreciate buying us an animated applause once a month, maybe by clicking on the applaud button, which is next to the like button if you are watching this video on a desktop. Thank you, friends. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay tuned for our next video later today. And also, I'll see you in our next video. God bless you and stay safe.